TooPower TP8 hearing aids. You're going to have to make a choice and decide if hearing aids for you. I am in no way or form to tell you these are the products for you. I am going to unbox and show you only and show the hearing aid in the ear, and you're going to have to make a decision if this is the product that you are looking for. So let's get a nice close-up look, and I'm going to show you how to clean them, how to set them up, and so forth. You get instructions, user's manual, and quick guide. You need to go over them to learn your hearing aid. This is the case. On the back of the unit is USB-C plug. Plug them in. And on the front of the unit is going to be 4 lights. When you plug in the unit, you're going to see the lights start to flash. They are charging the unit. It takes up to 2 hours. You get the supplied cable. You get the case that opens up in a 2-stage. Make sure you lift it up entirely 90 degrees. Left hearing aid, right hearing aid, logo, black on black. You notice one is red and the other's not lit. When you first get your hearing aid, you're going to pull it out of the case. On the back of the unit is going to be this little tab. You take it off. Now when you put the hearing aid into the case, it will charge. Please also note, when you pull the hearing aid out, it's going to be in the on stage. When you put it back in the case, it's going to turn off. It's an automatic on, automatic off. This will charge for a number of times. In order to use the unit, and you want to manually turn it on and off, 5 full seconds, this will shut off. To turn it back on, 5 full seconds. To change modes, you just tap them. There are about 3 modes, and one of the modes are tinnitus mode, environment mode, and room mode. Read the instructions, go online for further detail about how to use the unit. To raise the volume, it's a matter of tapping a number of times to get it higher and so forth. You're going to hear audible beeps inside. You may hear a reverb inside, feedback, and they will tell you how to adjust that. We're going to clean the unit. You're going to take the brush and you're going to start to clean. You're wondering what this stuff is that I did not mention before. You have replacement tabs and you have what is called a dust protector that you may notice on my finger right here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this off. You're going to see how this is held on to the unit by pressure. On here, you're going to notice a little tab. This little tab you're going to pull away. On here, you're going to pull this tab off. It's going to expose the dust protector. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the dust protector off. As I peel it off, you can see it coming off. There you go. There's a dust protector. You're going to clean. You're going to use alcohol. You're going to sanitize your hearing device. You notice you have holes. You're going to peel a dust protector off. You fold it back like so. You grab one. You're going to take the dust protector and you're going to lie it over the hearing piece. Sometimes it may not be easy, may be very delicate to do. It is on there. Give a nice firm press. You're going to take the hearing piece, if you want the small or large. You're going to do your best to line it up, slide it on over, and allow pressure and force to lock it into place. Once it's on, you're good to go. I'm going to place this and only show you what it looks like in the eardrum. It fits nice and comfortable. I am comfortable indeed. It is lightweight. You turn it on by a 5-second press. You press for different modes, 3 modes, 5 different levels of sound. 2 full hours to charge, 45 hours of use. Read the instructions, check online. Charges in the case, turns it off automatically, turns it on automatically out of the case. Close it up, put it in your pocket. When you're ready to go out and you need something you need to hear, these may be a product you are looking for. And that is all up to you to decide. TooPower TP8 hearing aids. Check them out.